clean, fresh, so clean, so fresh.
Hello, I'm Wash with the Point S Help Desk team, here to drop some knowledge into your customer service toolbox for when you need it later. Today's All-Trac update comes in two parts: quality of life features and a cleanup of the interface. First off, we're going to click the little menu up here and go to Scheduler. By clicking these double arrows here, you can change your bays to the top and the times to the side. Just click it to go back. Instead of having the legend right down here at the bottom with a weird secondary scroll bar, we've now put it into a button up here. Click the legend to make it pop up, and click it again to make it go away. We've also added a little hourglass indicator for the pickup time. Any appointment up here that's about 15 minutes from when it needs to be picked up will have a little hourglass indicator on it. Assigning a technician to a bay. You can do this two ways. First, by clicking the technician button here, picking the bay that you want to use, and then assigning the technician here. Alternatively, you can click the name of the bay to open up the same window. We also added these cool little guided tour buttons. If you click the little black circle with the question mark inside of it, it'll start a guided tour that will highlight all of the different features and all of the things that you can do on the page that you're currently at. Another feature that we've added is this drop-down box on the top right. If you click here, you could swap between stores if you have multiple stores. And if you swap back, there. And you can do this from any of the different parts of the site. So if you came here to the dashboard and wanted to see what was going on, you could click here and see another store's dashboard. Just like that. All right, let's look at how we've cleaned up creating a new appointment. I'm just going to block out some time right here. And normally you could search by plate or by the name and number of the customer or create a new customer here. But now you've got some options. If you find that searching by phone number is faster or more common for you than searching by plate, if you click these three little dots here, you can edit this layout. So you could move this one to the side or move it back. So this will put the phone first and the plate second. If we click finished here, then when you open up a new, let's go ahead and close this. Open up a new one, it's going to have the name and phone number here first. Also, you can turn these off. Now, if you need to block out some time, all you have to do is click block time here. It'll pre-fill this with what you had selected, and you can make this recurring. This is great if you have a certain lunch schedule that you need blocked out every day, and then just click save. And there it is. Now, all we're going to do is pick just some test person here. All of this stuff is the same, but it's just condensed into a little window. It's the same places, same field. We've got these little icons here to make things a little clearer. One addition you might notice is the inclusion of the inspection report down here. You can now add this now instead of later in the process. Similarly, if you were to make a new customer, you would just click new customer here, and then you could fill in all of the information that you need. All right, now let's take a look at editing an existing block. All you have to do is double click it, and in a similar way we've cleaned up this little window here. Everything is laid out a little bit more smoothly, and you can access all of the different parts of this from the top here. Same information, but it's a lot cleaner and easier to see. And that's it. It's just a bunch of small changes that make it easier and more fun to use.